What's up? Drunk University Times here. Took a vlog because there was a fire drill, and I suck at editing. So let's see if that comes together.
Oh, my fault. I'm sorry. I didn't realize you started.
Interruptions are very common because people are inconsiderate. So, I got a lot of footage during the fire drill. There were actually fire trucks and shit. It was scary. It wasn't really scary, but like it was cold. It was cold. So Kent State kind of sucks in the winter because, like I said, it's cold. As I said yesterday, people who come here in March are stupid. So anyways, some motherfucker in the building connected to mine set off the fire alarm. It was enough to where the actual firemen came up with their gear on. So I'm going to try and piece some of this together. See if we can get a little funny montage going up in this bitch. Please don't quote me on it though, because I got to learn how to edit video, and not very much stuff is free on Microsoft.com. So we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully it'll be posted at some point in time. I wanted to do a video a day. This would be video 3, but day's already passed. So I'm sorry. I dropped the ball, guys. That's on me. All 13 subscribers of you, but yesterday it was 8, so that was a 5 increase. So, yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow. Check you later. What's up? Drunk University Times here. It is mid-March. There's a fire drill. It is about 25. Fucking freezing! It's about 25 degrees out here. I don't have a jacket. Seriously, no, I'm okay. We had the first snow day since college, since I got here. Thank you. Oh my God, it's cold. So we had our first ever snow day today. I'm getting some gloves on my hands right now. Oh, that's not the right fingers.
Sorry. I'm trying here.
Oh my God. Push it back down.
I know.
So this is Kent State. Like I said yesterday, who the fuck would come here in March?
We had a snow day today.
I've already said that about 9 times.
Don't come here for spring break. It's stupid.
That's what I'm talking about. So they kicked us out of the building even though like there isn't a fucking fire. Oh, the heat vent.
Oh, smart.
We have sewage vents around campus.
To keep us warm.
And we get warm off of the raw sewage heat. Oh, there's a light right there. I don't want to ruin my composition.
Yeah, his professional vlog.
All right, so we got a lot of the vlog was supposed to happen inside, but then this happened, and the
tell him what happened. How you pushed a button and you're about to start recording.
Oh, right. So I started recording, and the camera flipped, and my face is very asymmetrical, so it scared the shit out of me. And then I pressed the button, thinking it's gonna go back. The second I press this motherfucking button, siren goes off. So I'm like,
what did I do?
I'm hacking like the fucking NSA right now.
Why is it even on right now?
The vent has no heat.
It's a little warm.
People didn't shit enough today. So let's just talk about John for a little bit. I'm a managerial marketing with a minor in entrepreneurship. I'm pursuing potentially a double major. There's a lot of lights around that I keep accidentally getting in, but you know what? That's okay. The siren's very loud. I can't. There's actual fire trucks I can hear in the distance, so this is great. Does anyone see any smoke? So this is great. I had some homework to accomplish tonight. I need to drink. I need to really fulfill the name of the channel, because up to this it's been very ironic. But I want vodka, wine, whiskey. Some of my hobbies include video games, surfing the intranet. I like blacksmithing. I like farming. I like eating food. I'm way under on my meal plan, so like I'm spending too much money. So like I'm gonna be hungry the next few days, weeks. Spring break is soon. Oh, siren. Attention, a fire has been detected. Do not take the elevator. There's actual fucking fire trucks coming up right now.
Usually we're just out here for a few minutes.
Wait.
Like an actual fucking fire.
Oh shit.
My laptop. Oh, my stuff better not burn to the ground.
I mean, we can see the. Oh my god, there's a fire truck. Oh shit, I'm really bad with this thing. It's a fucking fire truck. What's up? Drunk University Times here. It is mid-March. There is a fire drill. It is about 25. Fucking freezing. It's about 25 degrees out here. I don't have a jacket.
Seriously, I'm